Hi all, welcome back to Subtech Hotline. It's me again, Sabit Christopher, to take you through today's topic, that is chart labels from cells. So we all know that when we make our basic chart, that is a column chart, we always have the data labels. These are the data labels. They always pick exactly where the series are picking from. So our series is a saving for this month. We see we also have a saving for last month, but we have a comparison which we have made, which is giving us the percentage changes. When you look at this chart, in interpretation, it means that logistics is making a lot of saving than communication and marketing. But on the other end, we don't know the varying figures from last month. But when we look at the figures, we see that communication has made more saving variant changes from last month and this month of 107% than it has than other departments have done. Now, how do you show that on your chart to make sure that it highlights out that there is a marketing is in negative 76, though it is having that value, and logistics, though it has a high value, its percentage change is lower than what communication has done. So how do you do that? uh, you you click on the data labels, go to chart elements. You can even first remove the data labels. We go to data labels, extension of the arrow, look at the more options, look for more options. So more options will open a dialog or a sidebar with the options. Now, in the sidebar, there is, if you're using Office 365 or Excel 2016 and above, you must be having labels contains values from cells. So these are the values we have, picking directly the series which have been used. So I will click on values from cells. Now, values from cells, here I get a potential now of picking any values, but remember you should be having the same range. So if these are 3, still I will have to select these 3. So when I select the 3 and do OK, we shall be having a percentage and the values. So I can go ahead and untick the values, then I remain with the percentages. Now, what does it mean? Which means anyone interpreting this graph will clearly see that marketing has not done any saving other than the last month saving was more than this month. Then communication has done more than, though the margin or the in series wise, the values, logistics is higher. So that's how you can do that. Please, if this is your first time to reach this channel, hit that red button, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.